I am really sick right now, so if my voice sounds really weird in this video, I apologize. I'm getting a little better, but hopefully you can bear with me. So let's start the video.
Every brother was caught in the crossfire.
Hello everyone, Jason Leah back here again, and today we'll be reacting to the Birds of Prey teaser trailer. Now, production just started on the film. I don't know much about it, but let's just see. Okay, I don't think this footage is going to be anything in the movie. I think this is just like a production teaser. Like, they started on production and this is just like stock footage and stuff. But Harley Quinn has a nice look. I'll have to say that. I think I did see Black Mask, Ewan McGregor, which I'm really excited to see. I love him as an actor. Ewan McGregor as Obi-Wan is probably one of my favorite parts in Star Wars, and so I just really like him as an actor, and he does really good stuff like in Christopher Robin and other movies like that. So I'm really excited to see him as Black Mask, see what he could do. Yeah, I still don't know much about the movie. I'm interested. If this is the tone that they're going for, I think I'll be fine, but I hope that's nothing like Ghostbusters 2016 or Ocean's 8, where they try to push female agenda down our throats too hard and feminist stuff like that. I hope the movie doesn't do that. Do something like what Wonder Woman did, and actually have these women as characters in a good story. I hope the movie does that. And yeah, I'll just have to wait and see till the first trailer and the movie when it comes out next year. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment, and I will see you guys next time.
So heaven, if you sent us down, so we can build a playground for the sinners to play a saint.